Welcome back to another DIY Labs video tutorial. Let's do this. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change a tire. First off, you're going to want to make sure you're in a safe place to be changing a tire. If you're on an incline, make sure your parking brake's set and you have something underneath your tire to make sure your vehicle doesn't roll. If you can't find something, try and move your vehicle to a safe spot. That way you are safe when changing the vehicle tire. To begin with, you're going to want to locate your spare. Most spares are located underneath the trunk floor or underneath the vehicle. So I found mine. Now I'm going to remove the cover so I can get to it. So now I have a jack that's covering the screw for me to take the spare tire out. So I'm just going to lift it up and take it out of my way. My spare tire has a screw holding it in place, so I'll go ahead and undo that. I'll go ahead and take that and move it out of my way. And now I can lift the spare tire out. Once you remove your spare, you're going to see if you have a full-size spare or a temporary use spare. As in this case, it's a temporary use spare. If you do have one, you're going to check your owner's manual and the caution label and see what restrictions it may have, such as speed limit and distance can travel. If you are having to use a temporary use spare, you're going to get that replaced with a full-size tire as soon as possible. Now you'll want to take the provided lug wrench and loosen your lugs. This you want to do with the tire still on the ground, that way you can break them loose. Now that they're loose, you'll want to jack up the car. Now you'll want to jack up the car. The owner's manual will show you the proper places to place the jack to ensure safe jacking. You'll want to keep jacking until the tire is off the ground. Now that the tire is off the ground, go ahead and remove all your lugs. Once all the lugs are removed, you can now take the tire off. Now, you'll place the spare tire back onto the vehicle. You'll want to make sure the valve stem is facing out. Now, replace the lugs. Now, you'll go ahead and tighten up your lugs just to make sure that you're ready to put them down on the ground. Now that they're kind of tight, you can go ahead and lower your vehicle back onto the ground. Now, you'll go ahead and lower your vehicle. You want to let it jack down until the tire is touching the ground. That way you can make sure the lugs are nice and tight. With tightening the lugs, you'll want to skip every other one. This ensures even tightening. And then, you're going to lower your vehicle the rest of the way down. And now, you'll just pack up the tools and you're ready to hit the road again. If you like this video and want to see more, give us a like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that bell for future notifications.